Hi Cancerians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the coming week. Like I have already informed you in my earlier videos that I've stopped putting dates to my readings because people tend to expect things to happen in that particular date or during that time, and time is fluid in tarot. Things might happen to you earlier than that, later than that, or must have already happened. So let's see what the coming week has. All right. What you don't see is the Empress. So what you don't see is a person who is the right fit for you around the corner. Empress and the Empress coming, which is, I think it's a very good omen. Now, your energy is that you are not very happy with the offers around you, and also that somebody is keeping you in a third party. Somebody is breadcrumbing you, if I am not wrong. There is somebody who, just because you know what you deserve, right? But the offers around you don't seem to match your expectations or your idea of who you are. Let me clarify this. Yes, so this offer is, I think you will have to work a little harder than that, because there are a lot of options around this person. But I think your angels are asking you to actually work towards the kind of person you actually want to become, and then I think things will fall into the place. Like Emperor will meet the Empress or vice versa. Only when you are ready, you are energetically ready to receive that kind of your soulmate or your right fit. So there's a lot of work to be done. Meanwhile, you will get these small hits and bits of people here and there, which will waste your time. So work hard on your own self. It's time you focus on yourself. Your angels are asking you to focus on your own self. Let's clarify the Emperors. Yes. So, Two of Cups, 10 of Wands, and then again 7 of Wands. So, there is a connection where you feel attracted towards, but it irks you. If you know, those of you who are in this connection would know what it feels like, that you want to be in this connection but don't want to be in this connection. Like I said, reason is that your energies are not high enough to receive the kind of connection you are expecting to receive for your own self. So whatever you are receiving right now is actually burdensome rather than being good enough, right? There is not equal give and take. There is a lot of push from your side, a lot of probably you are working hard or the other person is pushing, you are pushing or the other person is working harder. So there is no balance right now wherever you are. Let me clarify the Six of Pentacles. Again, you feel that you deserve more, but this person feels it's too much of a hard work to how do I say, to meet up to your expectations right now. This is how that's why it takes a lot of strength from your side to cut the bullshit off. You are not wanting to accept these breadcrumbs, and you are I think you are waiting for the right person to come right now, and you're not taking this shit. You know what you are, and you're cutting off. And I know it takes a lot of strength when you're single and you have offers, but yet to say no to these offers takes a lot of strength, which is there. Yes, there's a need to balance your own energies right now. Listen to your intuition, Cancerians, and don't go for the toxic ones. It's very clear. You are on the right track. You are right to push these kinds of connections and wait for the right one. But don't follow for only passion, right? Don't just be aware of the devil around you. Balance your energy and just listen to your intuition. That's what you need to do. Let me see some love messages. How far is your love life right now? Karma is on your side, so not very far. So don't worry, right will be done to you. If they loved you once, they still do. For those of you who are stuck on a past person, love is in spite of all. So yes, so those of you wanting to go back to a past person, um, I think you can love them in spite of their problems or whatever the kind of people they are. And for those of you who are waiting for a new love to come, karma is on your side, and your I think your wait will be rewarded very soon. How you can handle is be steady, be steady. Don't force things unnecessarily, and be modest. Don't yes, have your hopes high, think good about yourself, but then don't be a little snobbish. Also, don't take hasty decisions, don't go very fast into relationships, or don't take any fast decisions whether to come out or go inside a relationship, into a relationship. And be very peaceful. Don't try to prove your point to people just for the sake of it. Maintain your peace. This is your message for the coming week. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.